Baume Mercier is a house that we normally don't hear much. Some people say it is an underrated brand, others don't even know it. But after you see this watch, you might as well reconsider. Baume Mercier is a luxury Swiss watch company founded in 1830 by the Baume family. Their watches are designed to be sophisticated yet not overly lavish. They place a strong emphasis on classical styling, and their timepieces are often characterized by clean lines and balanced proportions. The company prides itself on offering high-quality watches at relatively accessible price points in a luxury watch market. As part of the Richemont Group, Baume Mercier shares its umbrella with other prestigious brands such as Jaeger-LeCoultre, IWC, Vacheron Constantin, Cartier, and even others, and they benefit from the synergy and expertise within these brands. But now, let's focus on this midnight blue beauty. For starters, the design of this watch is beautiful. The blue dial is so deep you can definitely feel the midnight wind. The dial is enhanced by a 40mm stainless steel case with polished finish. The watch strikes an elegant balance between modern design cues and traditional watchmaking, featuring a minimalist yet stylish porcelain-like blue dial, sleek indices, and well-proportioned hands that contribute to a refined, sophisticated look suitable for both formal and casual settings. At its heart, this watch houses the Baumatic caliber, an astonishing in-house automatic movement with COSC chronometer certification. The movement also boasts an impressive 5-day power reserve and advanced silicon components for the hairspring, pallets, and escapement, which provides strong anti-magnetic properties and a better overall performance. Leaving the performance aside, the finishing of this movement is amazing. We get a skeletonized rotor, perlage, and Geneva waves all over. Even the screws get a circular finishing. The watch's case size and ergonomic design ensure a comfortable fit on a wide range of wrist sizes. Paired with a premium alligator leather strap with curved lugs and spring bars, the Baumatic provides both a luxurious feel and secure wearability, making it an ideal choice for daily wear or special occasions. It even has 2 spring bar positions, and an easy way for the spring bars to come in. You just push them and you're done. This watch features a black date window at the 3 o'clock position. I would have liked for it to be color matched to the dial. I think the black disrupts the balance of the force. The retail price of this watch is of $4,500, offering a high quality in-house movement with extended power reserve and chronometer certification. The Clifton Baumatic represents good value for money within its price segment, particularly considering its technical advancements and luxurious finishings. In its price range, this Clifton competes with watches from brands like Oris, Longines, and Tag Heuer. While these brands also offer high-quality timepieces, Baume Mercier's Baumatic movement with its extended power reserve and anti-magnetic properties give this watch an edge in terms of horological innovation. In conclusion, this watch is good, really good in fact. The dial is astonishing. The movement's innovations and ingenuity speaks for itself, and its finishing is what you would expect. It's a shame not a lot of people talk or know about Baume Mercier.